Hey, what up, y'all? This is Crimson Fly, as you all know. I'm gonna do a rap about cicadas.
Hate Cicadas.
Here it goes. Yeah. I hate cicadas. Yeah. I hate cicadas. I hate cicadas. I hate them so much. Yeah, I'm gonna rip off the swings and guts. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Then I'm gonna squish him. Then. Yeah.
You hate cicadas.
Get these guts out of my face. They're not my race. Yeah. When I go outside, when I see one, yeah, I get a shovel. Yeah, I get a shovel, then I throw them at my cup because I don't like them. So when I go at my house, man, I see a freaking mouse. I don't like mice neither. So I'm going prestige. Yeah, I'm gonna go Norbert on them. I'm Norbert. Prestige is a big old fat cicada. I squish her like a gator, an alligator. Yeah, this is an instrumental rap beat. Yeah, post this on YouTube. Yeah, because I am the masked tan of, cause I got a tan. What? I just got a pedicure. Pedicures are for women, but they are for real man. Unlike you, man, you are Tarzan. You live in a forest. Yeah, with the freaking tourist. Yeah, she is the best one of all. What?
You have to answer. We all come in and say bye.
Yeah, I hate cicadas. They are like alligators. I don't like them neither. Cause they are not prestigious. Prestigious is my real name. Yeah. Look me up on Facebook. I have a name. Yeah, my name is SNEED. Marquis. Yeah. What now? They are like alligators. I don't like alligators. I only like crocodiles. What? Yeah, my name is SNEED. I don't give a crap. Yeah, I'm gonna pick that up later because I rap this track right here. Yeah, a dedicated song right here. I don't like cicadas, so I get my shovel and foam up the elevator. Watch them get crushed. Yeah, because I'm on a bus. What? Now you don't have nothing on me. I'm prestige. I ride bus 63. Oh yeah, as my friends right here. Yeah, all in the world. Yeah, what now? I hate cicadas. Yeah, I hate them because they're alligators.
Cicadas are weird.
Yeah.
Okay,
What? Bye.